Hey guys, I have found the best oil in the market. My go-to-go oil. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and it's your girl Radiant Diva Skincare. So guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you this beautiful oil. This is what I'm using now. I'm done with lotion for the now, and I'm going to tell you the reason why I stopped lotion. I'm going to tell you the reason why I stopped using body lotion, but on my face I still use my facial cream and all that. So for my body, I have stopped totally. I've been using body oil for 2 weeks, and this is the first time that I've been using this body oil, and this oil is boom. Now we are in winter time, no need for lotion. I'm going to be using body oil from now, and there is also a reason why I stopped body lotion, just to give my body a little bit of rest. Yes. And guys, I beg, if you have not used this oil before, go and use this oil. This is beauty series oil. I have been hearing of this oil. The reason why I did not use this oil, because it is really expensive. So I bought this oil 12 dozen. Yes, I bought this oil 12 dozen because I want to sell them. I intended to sell them. So because this oil is very expensive in Nigeria, so I'm selling this oil here in Germany, which is 30 euros. So people are really saying it is expensive. Some are buying, some are not buying, and those that have been buying this oil, they are still coming back. Like, they are coming back, though the oil is expensive, because in Nigeria it is expensive, and before you can also ship the oil here and pay tax for it to claim it. So I've been using this oil for 2 weeks because I'm done with lotion. This oil is great. This oil is so magical. Like, you rub an oil on your skin and immediately you're not going to be seeing those shiny reflection. This oil is a glow oil and a bit of lightening oil. Now I'm just going to read this oil for you. Okay, advanced skin lightening solution for light complexion and no spots, age/liver spots, sunspot, old scars, acne marks, general skin brightening, and no hydroquinone or quinone, don't know. So this oil, beauty series skin oil, softens the skin. It unifies the complexion. This oil is great. Like, I have been using this for 2 weeks, and this is what I'm going to use throughout this winter. No more body lotion again. Like, it just gives you that gently skin glow. A skin glow without the reflection. Like, when you go out, your body will just be like, when you go out, your body is just going to be shining oil, or maybe when you apply your oil on your skin and everybody is just going to notice, like, why is your skin full of oil? No, you apply it on your skin and it vanishes immediately. Your skin take it in. So this oil is going to help to glow your skin. It's going to help to lighten up your skin, and it's also going to help to target spots. That one is the biggest thing in it, guys. That one is the biggest thing in it. It helps to target spots. If you're the type that have skin spots, like most times I have some people asking me in the comment section, like, what are they going to use for body spots? Sometimes I'm a bit confused because I know more about face spots, how to treat face spots, than how to treat body spot. Because treating the face spots, the face is very small. You can use a little amount of of products to treat your face spot, but when it comes to the body, especially the back, you need something that is much, which I cannot recommend you using the face product to treat your back spot, because it's small and expensive. Now guys, if you have back spots or skin spots, use this oil, please. Just go and try it. You can just dump your lotion and start using this oil. And if you're using a lightening product, like you're using a lightening oil, if you don't want to dump your lotion, you can be using your oil for like, you can be using your body lotion for like 3 to 4 days in a week. Let's just say you're using it for 4 days in a week. Then you can be using this one for 3 days in a week. Just mix it like this. For me, I totally dump my lotion because this is really, really good on my skin. It helps unify my skin. It helps with dryness if you have dried skin. If you have dried skin, now we are in winter, the weather is dried, your skin will be dried. It's really, really good. And even if during the summertime, you can actually use this oil. The reason why I say you can use this oil in summertime, because you apply it on your skin and it vanishes. You're not going to be seeing the oil running on your skin like olive oil. You know, when you apply olive oil on your skin, it's very, very shiny and it is very, very obvious. So now this one, even in summertime, you can apply it. It's going to vanish on your skin. And if you don't want to use it alone, you can still mix it. There's a way you can mix it. Now, I've been using this oil alone for 2 weeks. I just want to mix it. I just want to check something, experiment something on my skin now. I'm going to mix it. And when I will be mixing it, I'm going to shoot the video and release the video here on YouTube. Please stay tuned. So I'm going to be doing, after this video, my next video, I'm going to be promising this oil. I will shoot it and the video will be here. And after that, after 2 weeks, I will come back and do the review of the promising. Okay, so I've tried this oil alone. It is perfect. And for me, I normally take my bath at night because daytime I'm just indoor making products, packaging products. So most time I take my bath at evening time, at night. So I feel lazy to use body cream. I pick up this oil since 2 weeks now. I just pick up this oil on my skin and I'm good to go. I can go to the bed and lie down. Do you know that there are some oil you're going to apply on your skin? You cannot go to the bed directly and lie down. No, with this oil, you apply your oil on your skin, go to bed and sleep. You will not feel anything like oil on your bed sheet. Yes, that is how good this oil is. It's going to moisturize, it is going to glow, it's going to lighten and help you to target dry skin and also help you to target spots on your skin. So if you have a lotion that you want to mix with just oil, you don't want to add too much stuff inside, you don't want to add too much serums inside, just add only this oil, you are good to go. Okay, add only this oil into your lotion and you are good to go. You're going to see, you know, one thing about lightening, when you are doing it gently, it's good. Don't rush. Some people will just call, like me, I do sell skincare products. Some people will call me today and they will tell me that, hello Radiant, please, I have a wedding I'm going to next week. I need a lightening product that will glow my, a lightening product that will glow my skin, that will lighten my skin, that will remove yama on my skin. Only one product will just do everything for you. Then they say, I better go. This is skincare product. It is not magic. So when you're going into lightening, gradually, so that you won't hurt your skin, because you hurting your skin, for you to repair it back is very good. And one thing about this oil, you can also use it on your kids. Yes, that is one thing I also find out. You can use it on your kids, like from 5 years upward. You can use it on them. Now, if you want to use this oil on your kids, try to mix it up with a little bit of sunflower oil. Okay, add a little bit of sunflower oil to this oil and mix them together. Add olive oil, sorry, not olive oil, what is this called, vitamin E oil to it, and apply it on your kids' skin. But for you alone, you can go ahead and use it directly. You can go ahead and promise it, and you're going to see the benefits of this oil. The fact that this oil is really light on the skin, that is why I said this is my go-to-go oil. This is what I'm going to use throughout the winter. I really want to see the effect on my skin throughout the winter, no changing. But I will be promising this one. I want to do it in a promising way, add some serums to it, though I don't have any idea of the serum that I'm going to be adding to this oil. So before then, I'm just going to think and crack my brain, maybe add zero spots. See, let me tell you one thing. If you have skin spots, use zero spots on your skin. Those zero spot serum is very small. That is why I said that's why you can use on your face to treat spots. But because it is your skin, your body, that serum is too small, so you can actually promise this one with zero spots serum to help treat any skin spots, the one you have on your back, the one you have on your buttocks, your lap. Yes, some people do have skin spots on their lap. Yes, use it to treat your skin spots on your lap, and you're going to come back and thank me later. So this oil is really, really expensive. See, don't just look the amount of this oil, don't check the amount, because it is good. Go and buy it. Don't check the amount, go and buy it. Truth, your skin is very, very important. It is expensive, but it is worth it. If it is not worth it, I believe the producers of this oil, they will not be making it, and they will not be selling it, and they will not make it that expensive. Okay, guys, so this is the best oil in town. Like, I have been hearing about beauty series oil. Like, what is it about this oil? So I bought the oil. I want to sell them. People are not buying because it is expensive. Now I start using my thing. Thank God. I'm using my thing by my own self now, instead of the things to go expire for my own house. And I'm getting the results. I'm getting the results. So guys, this is it about this oil. Feel free to use this oil and drop your comments below the comment section. And if you have used this oil before and you are using this oil now, please let us know your experience. Please, I'm just using this oil for 2 weeks and no complication. It's nice, beautiful, but I'm going to promise it. Okay, so if you have used it before and you're still using it now, please let us know about the effects on your skin. So guys, I love you all, and don't forget to register for the online training class so that I will take you to the next level. Bye.